Okay, here is the layout for the kitchen here. Starting on our oven and microwave wall, about 4 inches off this corner. Obviously a drawer below. This could be a tray divider for cookie sheets, etc. Lazy Susan in the corner. Trash can to the left of your sink. Dishwasher, the cooktop. This drawer would be a little shallower and shorter for the carcass, spice pull out, drawers, your hood, and that's the size of the hood. It's only 6 inches tall. This cabinet steps out a couple inches beyond these 12-inch deep uppers. Fridge leg, and this corner unit here. So we can see these base and uppers have the clipped back. This is 16 deep. These two are 16 deep. So we can have a clean panel on the side here. This is about 5 inches wide. Same thing over here. And then your wine glass storage underneath these uppers, glass doors. And then on the pantry wall, 17-inch deep cabs, glass on the top here. And then this open space here. Put a puck light underneath, drawers under the opening, and this would be finished. Whatever color, paint color we land on this, we would have in here. Oven, microwave wall. Here's the tray divider, Lazy Susan. These are the sizes. Sink cab, trash, Lazy Susan. These uppers are 3 inches off the edge of the window opening. Cooktop, your hood here. Bottom of that is 72 inches. This right fridge leg is right on the corner where it drops back. The wine wall. So those cabinets are clipped. And the pantry wall. 17 deep. The center full height cab is 36 wide. All right, let me know what you think. Thank you.